Okay, good evening. Today's DIY project is the MacBook Air. Okay, I bought this to my daughter in 2015 as a birthday gift. 所以在2015年的时候，我们买这台给 Christine 是生日礼物。She keeps complaining about this laptop will auto shut down. Then that's a shout out my dear friend Gary. It's probably the battery problem. I went to Apple. They say if a battery need to replaced, for battery replacement will be cost 288 Sing dollars. 288块新币. Anyway, Gary also teach me how to check the battery recycle cycles. So I checked on the Apple website is the max 1000. So this is 1084. It's 之前就要换了，但是从来没换过。And she bought a new one, so I'm trying to learn how to use Apple laptops. Anyway, so see how it goes. So I got this. Dang, 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 dang. This is OEM Mac Air. No, MacBook Air batteries. So when Apple say replacement is 288, this is $72 to DIY. They even included 2 specialized screwdrivers. 所以呢，288块，这个是72块。但是要自己换，可他没有送螺丝起子，所以看看能不能自己换了。Okay, now not bad. 不用钱的。还蛮好打开的。哦 ，oops， 还蛮好打开的。Because I'm the Windows user. It's the first time I try to use the Apple laptops. See how it goes. Okay, that'll be 10 screw. See if I can open now. Ding, 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 ding. Ah! Ladies and gentlemen. Chan chan. Okay. Cool. What's the next? Okay, I think there's a 5 screw here. So, oh yeah. So now 怎么样拿出来这个 battery？ 我再研究看看咯，上网。Okay, I just put it out this the battery pack. It's quite easy， 很简单，直接拉出来就好。现在就看要把这个换上去，就是 replace this. Let's go. Okay, replace this new one. There's only 5 screws. Okay, look like a brand new. The quality of this battery and the Battery is not bad. I bought it from the Lazada， 看起来还不错。等一下看 run 怎么样咯 ？OK， 现在我把10个螺丝都已经锁上去了。So I put about the 10 screw right into place. But this one look like not tightening enough. Okay, let's switch on and see how. Okay, 见证奇迹的时候。Oops. OK， 吓我一跳。等一下。噔。我们要感谢那个郭董Fast 的那个手工还不错，所以现在在慢慢开。I don't know, this OEM battery would be a system the Apple OS will detect it or anything. But now look like I can switch on the laptops. Let me see what's the battery showing here. Okay, the warning and caution, this triangle sign is gone. Okay, blah blah blah. This looks okay. Let me see how to use this. So let me see what's the battery. Yeah, we can see the light. Where? Let's system report. Power. Oh yes, look. The cycle counts. It's only 2. Yeah, I did it. Bloody asked me to 288, and I sold it out with $72 and about 10 minutes work. Well done, well done. Thanks, guys. Yeah, some DIY project that then makes you feel like you are saving a lot of money. Anyway, ciao.